Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Today we're going to talk about the world of Axxess interfaces and a new DSP package available for select GM vehicles. The AXDSPX-GMM50 is a 10-channel DSP package for select Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC vehicles with a factory BOSE audio system. This DSP package is a fast, cost-effective solution for improving the vehicle's sound system without losing any of the factory chimes or OnStar voice prompts. With individual control of each of the 10 channels, you can have independent equalization per channel, including high pass, low pass, and band pass filters. Once the DSP is installed, you can adjust all the settings on a smartphone or tablet using the Axxess app, available in both iOS and Android. Read, write, and store configurations for future recall. You can even password protect your settings. So keep that factory radio in place and still upgrade your sound quality with aftermarket speakers, amplifiers, and even a subwoofer. Check out this Axxess product and other Axxess products online at axxessinterfaces.com.